Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer an estate with TIAA Realty, full guide step by step clearly. To begin your estate transfer with TIAA Realty, gather all essential documents related to the property. These documents typically include the deed, tax information, and any existing mortgage details. Next, create an account on the TIAA Realty platform if you haven't done so already. Once logged in, navigate to the Transactions section of the dashboard. Select the option for estate transfers to initiate the process. Fill in the required fields with accurate property information. You will need to provide the names of all individuals involved in the estate. Attach any relevant documents requested by the platform. After submitting your initial information, check your email for a confirmation message. Follow any instructions included in that email for further actions. If needed, schedule an appointment with a TIAA Realty advisor for personalized guidance. Review the terms and conditions associated with the estate transfer carefully. Make sure to address any outstanding financial obligations related to the estate. Once all information is verified, TIAA Realty will process the estate transfer. Keep track of all correspondence and documents throughout the process for your records. If you encounter any issues, reach out to TIAA Realty's customer support for assistance. After the transfer is complete, you will receive official confirmation from TIAA Realty. Finally, ensure all parties involved have updated their records to reflect the new ownership. By following these steps, you can complete a smooth estate transfer with TIAA Realty. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.